The whispering woods shimmered under a sky painted with cotton candy clouds and streaks of strawberry jam. In a cozy burrow nestled beneath the oldest, most store-filled oak tree lived Barnaby Bumble, a bear with a heart as big as his honey pot and a rumble in his tummy that often hummed happy tunes. His best friend was Flicker, a firefly who glowed brighter than any star, flitting about with dizzying energy. Barnaby loved to bake the most delicious berry pies, their sweet scent wafting through the woods, while Flicker, with his zippy movements, was always ready for an adventure, often buzzing about possibilities before Barnaby even finished his morning stretch. One sunny morning, just as Barnaby was pulling a golden brown pie from the oven, a tiny, tear-streaked squirrel named Pip scampered to their doorstep. Pip, usually the liveliest chatterbox of the woods, looked as wilted as the daisy he clutched in his trembling paws. "Oh, Barnaby, Flicker!" Pip wailed, his voice a tiny squeak. "The sunstone, the one that makes our flowers bloom extra bright and keeps the evening chill away, has vanished from the meadow of glimmering petals. The grumpy old gnomes, the petal keepers, are stomping their tiny feet and saying it's lost forever." Barnaby's ears drooped, nearly touching his big, furry shoulders. "Lost forever? Oh dear, that sounds terrible. How will the moon lilies open at night?" But Flicker, ever the optimist, zipped around Pip's head in a joyful loop, his light pulsing with excitement. "Nonsense! Lost forever is just a phrase for waiting to be found. We'll find it. That's what friends are for, right?" Flicker's infectious enthusiasm began to lift Pip's spirits, and even Barnaby managed a small, hopeful nod. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!